Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture we are going to discuss that when a firm will shut down. Basically a firm will shut down when it is not able to cover its fixed cost. So the shutdown condition is that when firm is not covering its average fixed cost, so in this situation the firm will have to shut down its business. So when average fixed cost is greater than average revenue, then the firm will shut down its business. So before discussing the shutdown point, first we have to draw the output level, then we will draw the shutdown point under perfect competition. So for this we are going to take quantity on the x-axis, revenue and cost on the y-axis, and as we know that price, average revenue and marginal revenue is same in case of perfect competition because there is no change in price. So for output decision we have to draw MC curve. So here is the MC curve, marginal cost curve. At this point MC and M are equal, which give us the optimum level of the output. So as we mentioned earlier that firm will shut down when its average fixed cost is greater than average revenue. So we have to draw average fixed cost in such a way that it should be higher than this point. So we will draw average fixed cost as here. Okay, and as we know that average variable cost is greater than average fixed cost, and as we also know that average cost curve is the sum of average fixed cost and average cost, so it should be higher than the average variable cost. So as you can see that the total revenue is at this point and the cost is average fixed cost is at this point. So the firm is not covering its average fixed cost. So in this situation the firm have to shut down its business because it have to pay the fixed cost from its pocket and as well as the labor cost or the raw material and the electricity cost from its pocket. So when a firm came into a situation like this, when it is not able to cover its average fixed cost, so in this situation the best option for the firm is to shut down its business.